fortitude, and tenderness. A father, a leader, and a lifelong teacher, a comforter, and a patient listener, a hero, and a world changer, a gift from God above. Being a father is a high and holy calling. It is not only a blessing, but also a stewardship. Fatherhood is a precious opportunity and a divine responsibility, because it is one of the many ways that God watches over all of us. A father is a protector and a provider, a hard worker and a family man, a role model and a faithful friend. And so from all of us to all of you, thank you to the fathers.
Thank you for always making me feel better and always making me laugh. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Thank you. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Kasi lagi kang naandyan sa lahat ng gagawin ko, sa lahat ng kapalpakan ko, sa lahat ng katagumpayan ko. Lagi kang nakasuporta lang sa akin. Wish ko lang na maging malakas ka pa, na marami pa tayong banding ng buong pamilya. Wish ko lang kay Lord na kung kukunin ka o kaya ni Mama, yung maging ready na ako. Basta tandaan nyo lang na mahal ko kayo ni Mama. And maraming salamat sa lahat. Thank you for everything. Ako pa rin yung ako pa rin ang iyong prinsesita. Maraming salamat. Happy Father's Day. Alam mo yun na alam mo kung gaano ko kayo kamahal. Ikaw at saka si Mama. Happy Father's Day uli. See you again soon. In God's will. Makauwi uli. Bye everyone.
Hi, Papa Daddy. Happy Father's Day. And kahit lagi kang galit, mahal na mahal pa rin kita.
Happy Father's Day po. Thank you po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo sa amin. Tsaka sana makasama ka pa namin ng matagal. At sana gumaling na yung sakit mo. Yun lang.
Father's Day po. Thank you po sa pag-alalagaan namin.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you sa mga gifts na binibigay mo sa akin. At sorry kasi lagi akong pasawan.
Happy Father's Day, lalo na kay Daddy Randy Santos at saka sa mga daddy sa family, Happy Virtuoso family.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you for taking care of me nung simula bata pa ako. I love you and mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. Bye-bye!
Happy Father's Day, Tatay! Ingat lagi sa work! I love you! Happy Father's Day, Daddy! I love you! Mag-iingat ka po palagi. Salamat po sa mga bagod mo. Para sa bagod mo sa amin. Para sa amin. I love you, Daddy.
Sama. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day pa from me and Naomi. Happy Father's Day. Say hi. Say hi. Bye.